So today I'll be showing you how to screen record a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'll show you how to screen record the main screen, and then I'll also show you how to screen record the outer or the cover screen. So on the main screen, fortunately, this phone comes with a built-in screen recorder, and all you have to do is swipe down from the upper right side to access this menu, and then you want to expand this to get to the main setting shortcuts. So here, look for this screen recorder icon. So it should be somewhere. So here it is, screen recorder. So tap on that, and then it's going to give you this pop-up window. Start recording with screen recorder, and then you can choose how you want to record. So it's going to record your screen. If you want sound, then you can choose either media or media and microphone. So the mic basically records your voice and other ambient sounds. If you don't want any sound in your recording, then you can choose none. So depending on what you want, for me, I want to record everything. So I'll select that. And then you can choose whether you want to show taps and touches in your screen recording. And then when you're ready, just tap on start recording. A 3-second countdown. And now it's recording everything I'm doing and saying, because I chose to record with a microphone. Okay. So this is where you control your screen recording. So you can hide this or bring it up when you want to access some controls. So you just swipe, like you tap and swipe to bring it back. Now here you have some controls. For instance, you have this pen icon that you can use to annotate your screen drawing, and you can make arrows and stuff like that. And you can turn it off. And then you can bring up the front facing camera if you maybe want to put your face in that screen recording, or you can turn it off. And then you have the option to pause, continue recording, and then the last one is to stop and save that screen recording. Now all screen recordings are saved to your gallery. So if you go into your phone's gallery, you should see among other photos your screen recording. So you have it there. So here it is. So let's have a listen. I'm doing and saying, because I chose to record with a microphone. Okay, so that's the screen recording. Of course, this phone has great speakers. So you also can go into albums and then have a special screen recording album where all your screen recordings are going to be saved. All right. Now, you can also screen record the cover screen by simply swiping down, and you'll have this access to these options. And you can see we have the option screen record. So just tap on that screen recorder. You have the same menu. Once you select whatever you want, just tap on screen recording. You get the same 3-second timer, and the recording starts. But this time you have limited options. So you don't have the pen option to annotate, and you don't have the camera option. So you just have the screen recording, pause, and stop. So when you're done, just tap on stop, and the recording again is going to be saved in your gallery. So you can access that by flipping over and going to the gallery, and then here is our cover screen screen recording. But this time you have limited options. So you don't have the pen option to annotate, and you don't have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.